Alright guys, I'm going to do part 2 of this video. I'm going to do Ariel. I got these Princess Upper Deck cards and I'm redrawing the picture to my style. This is so super cute. I promise I will do a digital. If you want to see the first part of this video, which was Belle, and that is what I created. If you want to see this full thing, watch the video before. It will be linked below as well. So, let's get started and do Princess Ariel.
Hi guys, thank you to everybody that has watched the sneak peek. You are watching now part 2 of the video. Like I did in the intro, this is the Upper Deck Challenge where I'm drawing the cards, and yeah, I did Ariel and I really liked how she turned out. When I was in the middle of it, I was like, ooh, this is not happening. When I got to the hair, I was like, I don't like this. Again, I did it in my style, but then again, I didn't do the eyes like I typically do. I did it more how they had it illustrated in it so that it was more cartoony. But I think next time when I do the challenge, I might just do it in my style completely. But thanks for everybody that has subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the notification bell below and subscribe so that you get to know when the next videos are coming up. And as well, follow us on Instagram at KCatsArts. Thanks! Final piece of Princess Ariel. I think it turned out really cute. I'm so happy that the hair ended up working out. I love the clouds in the background. It's not in the original card, but I thought I would throw it in here. Thanks to everybody who's watching. Follow us on Instagram at KCatsArts. Thanks!